Okay, so when we scale things up, basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to take a small image and reproduce it larger. So the first thing we need to establish is what's the size of what we have. So if this is our small image, your handout that I'm going to give you, which the handout I am going to give you is actually 4 inches wide, 5 inches tall, how much bigger can we make it if we have, for instance, 8.5 by 11 typing paper? So if we doubled this size, this 4 by 5, what size would it become?
8 by 10 paper?
It'd be an 8 by 10. Would 8 by 10 fit on an 8.5 by 11?
Yes.
Sure. If we tripled it, what size would that become?
12 by 15.
12 by 15. Would 12 by 15 fit on 8.5 by 11?
No.
No, it wouldn't fit, would it? So we're going to double it. So our factor will be times 2. Okay? So on this 4 by 5 handout, I'm going to have you do a 1/2 inch grid. All right? And that 1/2 inch grid, you know, we'll have the straight vertical lines like this and the straight horizontal lines like this. And you'll have these very nice 1/2 inch squares over the picture on the handout. Okay? So to scale it up, if we multiply these dimensions times 2, what would the size of the paper be? This shape is 4 by 5. We scale it times 2. What does that become?
8 by 10.
8 by 10. So now my paper over here is 8 inches by 10 inches. And we multiplied that
2.
times 2. So if we have 1/2 inch grid squares on this one, what size would the grid squares change to be here?
1 inch.
1 inch, because we doubled their size, right? So over here we have a 1 inch grid. Okay, so now we have that same thing going on over here. And if everything is right as it should be, you should have the exact same number of grid squares on this page as you do on this page, right? So if we were going to work on drawing this grid square right here, it's 3 over and 3 down. We would go 3 over and 3 down, and it would be the same as this one right here. So whatever's in this square, we draw in this square. And when we're done, we have transferred the image from a smaller size to a larger size. Okay?